Hello teachers, this is a video tutorial to help you get started and set up on Discord. Now Discord is the software that we are going to be using to communicate over the course of this week. You can think of it as similar to Zoom or Google Meet if you've used any of those software before to video chat with your coworkers. Discord is very similar, but it is geared toward gamers. It's very popular in gamer spaces, and so when we were designing institutes, we wanted to meet the students where they're at with the software that they are familiar with already. And so we chose Discord for that reason, and also because it's free and super easy to use and access for everyone. So with this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to join our server and get set up on Discord, as well as go through some of the settings that you might want to toggle and how to video chat on Discord. So let us switch over to my monitor and we will get going. All right, so first up, we are starting on the Discord homepage. This is just discord.com. I will put a link to this site and any other sites that I reference in the description for this video, so you can check those out, click them to be taken directly here. But this is just discord.com, and you'll be greeted by a page similar to this. Now, you have two options for how you will use Discord. The first is the one on the right here, which is opening Discord in your browser. Now, Discord is available to be used completely in your browser, and it's totally fine. It's a little more limited compared to when you install it on your computer. So you won't be able to do things like share your video with us, like share your webcam. And that can be a little limiting and a little frustrating. If you have a Chromebook, though, which doesn't let you install programs to it, using Discord in your browser is a way that you can still participate with us, still communicate with us. It's just maybe not ideal. Otherwise, you can download and install the Discord app to your computer. Now, you can see I'm on a Windows computer here, so it's giving me the option to download it for Windows, but Discord is available in a number of formats, including iOS, Android, Linux, Mac, and Windows. So I really highly recommend that you download the app and install it to your computer and use Discord that way, or on your phone, or whatever is most convenient for you. Now, Discord has a installation guide put together that you can follow if you need help understanding how to install the program. It's a pretty standard process. It's not too challenging, but once again, I'll put a link to this in the description if you need more help with that. But once you have Discord downloaded and installed, or you're using it through the web interface, you'll have to create an account and then log in. After you've done that, you'll be greeted by a window similar to this. This is what Discord looks like when you first open it up, generally speaking. Mine will be a little different because I already have been using this account for a bit. But on the left here is what we're going to use to join the server. Now, I will be sending out an invitation link to the server, and the way that you use that is you're going to go to this plus sign here that says add a server. You're going to hit the option on the right here, the green one that says join a server, and you can paste the invitation link right in here. I will email that out to you. It's a private link just because we don't want random people to be joining our server and seeing what we're doing. But you can paste the link in here, hit join, and that will put you in our server for the Game Designer Institutes. Now, an important thing that I want to note is that this server is shared between all of our institutes. So there are kids in this server who are in second grade. And we've done that so that we have a centralized space for everyone, so that like you can pop in during the week on, say, the Young Video Game Designer Institute with 4th and 5th graders and see what they've been doing, see what they've been working on, the conversations that they've had. We've also done that because we have a Minecraft server set up that the kids can pop in and out on and voice chat while they play Minecraft together. But once you get the link in there and hit join, you'll be added to our server, and it will appear on the left here with a little video game controller icon, and when you hover over it, it'll say Video Game Designer Institute. And when you click on that, you'll start out in this new users channel. Now, mine is going to look a little bit different than yours, just because I have access to everything as a leader in the camp, but you will have access to this welcome category and the new users channel. Now, Discord separates things out by category, which are these little folders. And then when you see a channel inside of it with this little hashtag next to it, or pound sign, that's a text channel that you can use for text chat. The ones here with this little speaker icon are enabled for voice and video chat. But once you get into the server, in this new users text channel, what we've been having folks do is just entering and saying, hi, my name is Cassie, or whatever your name is, and I am taking part in the Educator Institute. And what that does is not only introduces you to everyone in the server, but it will also let one of the leaders know, hey, we've got somebody new here and they need a role assigned to them. And so one of us will go in and assign you the educator role, and that will give you access to the Educator Institute category. And I believe we're planning to also give educators access to the young video game designer, the junior video game designer categories, so that you can, again, pop in and see what the actual students are working on and doing. But once you have access to the Educator Institute, there's a text channel for you, and this will be up 24/7. And you can use this to ask questions, maybe ping somebody if you want some feedback, and that sort of thing. And it's open all the time. And this has some cool features. You can @ people like you would on something like Twitter. So you can say, hey, Cassie, I have a question for you, and send it like that. And I'll get a notification on my phone, on my computer. Hey, Cassie, somebody really needs your attention. You can also tag all of the leaders in the camp. There's a few of us who are running the camp, and if it's not a question that I specifically need to answer, this will ping like Thor and Lee and everyone. So this might be a faster way to get feedback, but if you want specifically my attention, that's fine. And you can even ping another user. So let's say Sally in the camp has been playtesting your game and you want an update. You can say, hey, Sally, what do you think of my game? And that's just a little way that you can get somebody's specific attention. And that's all happening in the text channel. Before we get into the video chat and the video channel, I just want to point out a few settings that you should check before you get in there. So down here at the bottom left, there's a little cog, and that will take you into the Discord settings. And on the left here, there's an option for voice and video. Now here you can select your input and output device. I have a dedicated microphone here, but this might just be your webcam or built-in microphone. I've got a lot of options here because I have a lot of audio equipment, but just choose webcam or built-in microphone, whatever is what you usually use. So like that's my webcam microphone. And then your output device is like your speakers. It does work better. I'm sure you've experienced this in your own video chats. Things work better when you wear a pair of headphones during a video chat. That reduces echo and coming back through to other participants, which is annoying to listen to. So if you got a pair of headphones, just plug them on in and make sure that headphones are selected as your output device. And then you can also test your microphone in here. So I can say, hello. And it'll echo it back to you. You probably heard the echo coming through on the video recording there. So that's great. Those are the basics of what you want to look at. And down here, you can check your video settings and make sure that your webcam is selected. And there's a little test button there so that you can just totally make sure that it's all good. So that's the basics of the voice and video settings. I recommend just checking in on those, making sure everything looks good. There are much more detailed settings that you can get into, particularly if you're having trouble. You can try toggling some of these on and off. And if I notice a problem with your audio, I can probably point you to like, hey, try messing with this setting. But these are the basics. These are the ones that you want to pay attention to. So once you have that all set, you're ready to join a voice or video chat. So you can see right here, we've got the text channel selected, but we can switch over to the video chat. Clicking it once will join, and then clicking it again will take us to the video chat screen. Now, once you join, you can toggle on your video using the turn on camera button down here. And likewise, you can mute and unmute yourself using this button here. And this button, the little phone icon, will let you disconnect from the video channel. So again, click once to join, click again to see everybody. I'm the only one in here right now, but ideally there will be other people here. And that is how you join a video chat. And here you can just talk to people as you would on any other video chat, but there are also some powerful screen sharing settings that I'm going to show off now. So I'm going to have somebody else join our video chat here, and I'll show you how all that works. All right, so now we've got somebody else in our video chat. Say hello to Snorlax there. And Snorlax, you can see his camera here, but he's also sharing his screen. So we see this has popped up. It's the same name, so we know it's his screen. But I can hit this and watch his screen here. And so this is how I will show you things on my computer to do like a tutorial of GameStar Mechanic, for example. And you can also share your screen if you're having trouble with something and you're having trouble describing it and you want to show it off. So to share your screen, you go down here to this button. You can choose whichever window you want to share. So I'm going to pick my web browser here where I was showing you the Discord website and hit go live. And now everybody will be able to see what you're doing on your screen. And you can stop screen sharing by just hitting stop streaming right there. All right, so I'm going to disconnect from the video channel now. And that's the basics of Discord. I encourage you to play around with it, get familiar with it, and use it often during the camp to communicate and share your thoughts, share your experiences with GameStar Mechanic. I monitor it all the time. I've got it on my phone. So if you have questions, you can shoot them back to me and I'll hopefully get back to you soon. If it's 11 o'clock at night, it'll maybe take a couple hours, but generally I keep an eye on it. And it's a great way for you to have that feeling of working with other people, even though we can't be in person. So I hope this video tutorial has helped. If you're having any other trouble with Discord or anything involved with the camp, reach out to me. And if it's something that warrants making another video tutorial, I'm certainly happy to do that. All right, so I look forward to working with you all, and I will see you soon.